Hey, YouTube subscribers, YouTube viewers. Again, another Monday. I forgot today was Monday. As you can see, where I'm at, this is where we shot that New Year's Eve video of the lightning storm. It's about a week. Not a week late. No, not quite a week later yet. I actually forgot today was Monday, so my footprint. Forgot it was Monday, so I haven't uploaded weekly videos. I got three of them I need for the next 3 weeks. And since I forgot to upload it this morning, I guess we'll save that for, another week. Today is what, Monday, January 6th? Maybe the 5th? I don't know. It's a Monday. We got our first snow of the year, because this is usually when we get them. The last snowstorm I remember, we were living over about a year ago. No, 3 years ago, we were living over there. Lost power for 8 hours. There's the shed. And then I thought, you know what? I forgot to upload a video today, so this is going to be our weekly project video for the week. And, we have no gloves, but I was going to make a snowman. Unfortunately, I kind of can't. It'd be more work than it's worth. Because I would have to take this is something I should have done last night. Right now, it feels like it's raining. I mean, we had more snow than this, but we had some rain earlier this morning, earlier in the day, which kind of made it. That's so pretty, them trees. We got 2 of them actually, and I need gloves. I should really have gloves on while doing this. I still got some green grass going. Either it's raining or that's just straight freezing rain. Let's go see what. I was playing. Well, I actually got into my video game this morning, and that's could be why I forgot. Plus, the shop is shut down today, so yeah. I'm not trying to come up to the clothesline. I don't know. That's ice. It's covered in ice. So I'm thinking it might be freezing rain right now. It's supposed to be turning back to snow. I still got to figure out what we're going to do with that gutter. Guess we'll head. Oh man, my hands. I don't think I'm going to be out here for very long. There's the Dodge Dakota. Go around this way. Man, I should have grabbed my gloves first. There's the garden. And you can see the snow that just plopped off of here. This will work on go getting some gloves. Please. See. Yeah, I think we're getting freezing rain. Slight freezing rain. Yeah, but nah, that's probably just straight rain. I think, but I don't know. It could be freezing rain. Could be not. No, that's freezing rain. Sleep maybe. I don't want to be out here longer than I am now. Been out here for 6 minutes and see if I can get the gloves out. That's all ice. I should have been, see, I told myself I knew I had for forgetting something. Right. Okay, gloves. Guess I ought to get this snow out of my tool bag. At least some of it. Sit y'all down a minute. We can go for a walk. I'm not a person to wear gloves, but as it's kind of hard for me to start a video. These are Comfort Temp. If I had my Blazer, RC Blazer, that was waterproof still, I'd probably have that out in this. We're filming on the, bear with me here, can't hold the phone now, and then I'm cropping it. Okay. Alright, made a big mess there. Let's go for a walk. Towards into the woods if I can pull up my pants. I don't have my belt on. The boots that I have on, I've never worn before. And of course, I got my summer shorts. I use one, plus I wear them around the house too. I got those on too, underneath everything. So apparently I probably won't go too far here. Well, it got windy. It's probably about after 4 o'clock in the evening. We were supposed to start this all yesterday about this time, and it didn't. You can hear the trees crackling with the ice that's on it. It started around 9:30, between 9 and 10 last night. It was supposed to start before then. Then it kept saying on the radar that it was snowing, but when you went into currently like what it's doing now, it didn't show nothing, but on. It wasn't showing anything, so I guess I'll just walk and I'll worry about my pants. They're sort of staying up. My hands are not, you know. There's the brand. I'm gonna pause that. And sometime through the night it turned to rainish ice and then rain, and that's when I was told stuff started to melt, because you couldn't see the grass in the yard. You couldn't see that this morning. I mean, you could see that. You couldn't see it earlier this morning when the sun started coming up. When daybreak morning was starting to, or daybreak, or whatever you call it. I was trying to get the wife to come out with me, but she didn't want to. I don't really blame her. Trying to get down to here. Just listening. Just listening. This is where we get our main feed from electricity. And it comes back here. And that's our pole right there. And then it feeds through. Then the next pole is for the other trailer. Then it feeds the rest of the, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S9 for a phone for, servicing that. The A32 kept cutting out. And good thing I have my if it wasn't so cold, I would try to get. If it wasn't so cold, I'd be wearing my sweatpants, but I don't really hear much vehicles out on the 2-lane road that we're off of. Our county schools were supposed to go back today after, the holiday season, but some schools may not even go back. Northern schools up north may not even go back to school until next week, from, things you hear on Facebook. I haven't been back here in months. I mean, like, physically back here. There's a trail somewhere over there. Last time I was down it. Oh. Hi, buddy. There's an owl. Hi, buddy. If I didn't have gloves on, I could zoom in. Hi. Aren't you cold? See if I can. Hey, buddy, looky here. A little blurry. Aren't you cold? There he is. He's looking. Looking right at me. That is so cool. I have never ever seen an owl. There you go. Now he's starting to blend in. He's up there. He's starting to blend in with the well, see you later. get this other glove back on. I don't think I thought that was a male, like a hawk or something. Hold on, I'm gonna put you guys in my pocket for a minute so that I can get my glove back on. And I have to tell the wife to watch this video once it's uploaded.